Hello friends, my name is Maliya from RFL Assembly report budget. My project name is Milo the tank rover using tilted. My project in kinetic and engine are used Rover for recursion. Intake model want motor and tail tanker. Tail tanker is used for necklace casting. Tail tanker is down for change light is red and metal is not purple. Tail tanker is off, light is green and metal is purple. Let's see how it runs. Thank you.